Did you know that the Seventh-day Adventist Church has a strategic plan for the next 5 years? The plan is called I Will Go, and it continues the church's mission to reach the world. Adventists around the world are invited to participate and take the good news of the gospel to the ends of the earth. The name I Will Go started with university students in South America. In 2010, 2 medical students dreamed of starting a missionary movement. Without any resources, they followed God's call and marched ahead. In God's hands, a simple idea can become a success. Before they knew it, the idea caught on and things started happening. Other students stepped up and said, I will go too. Then teachers, deans, administrators, and even church leaders worldwide got involved. In 2011, River Plate University in Argentina hosted the first I Will Go conference for young missionaries. More than 700 students from around the world came, eager to dedicate their lives to mission. And it didn't stop there. A second conference brought together more than 1,000 students. And then other Adventist universities started hosting their own I Will Go conferences. Just like that, I Will Go began spreading across South America. Year after year, students attended I Will Go conferences by the hundreds and thousands. These young missionaries committed their lives to God's call and served wherever He sent them. Since 2010, nearly 8,000 new missionaries have been dedicated and trained to take the gospel to the world. The Worldwide Adventist Church has embraced the idea of I Will Go. It has been shaped into a strategic plan for witnessing and accepting the Great Commission. In countries across the world, Adventists are asked to step up and proclaim, I will go. I will accept God's call and fulfill my Christian duty. Those 2 students who started it all had a dream but no resources. Yet God's plans were bigger than they could have ever imagined. And the story doesn't end there. There is more to come, and you can be a part of it. Will you say, I will go?